What if you could sit here and build something that can be passed down to the next generation? See, most people, everybody work for a dollar to make ends meet. And I understand that. But one of the things I've learned to do is a mind hack. Start with your experiences first. Start with your experiences first. The things that you want to experience in life. And don't take nothing off the table. Then backfill into who you have to become. The experience to experience. And the reason why I said that is because a lot of times we get exactly what we have. True point. If you sit here, your mindset is still thinking that lack, broke, scarcity, and anything else, and you don't have, and you take the vocabulary and do the same thing, what's going to happen is you keep getting more of it. Now, to break those habits, you're going to have to do something different. You have to talk to yourself in a better way that is more functional for you to give you the results that you want. So as Marissa Peer says, she's a world-renowned psychiatrist, and believe it or not, she don't have the degrees, but she got the experience. And one of the things that she said, your mind gonna only do two things. Believe everything that you put in it, and if you start speaking it, it's gonna manifest it. Believe everything you put in it and manifest what you speak. So my thing is, for this week, let's do a mind hack. A mind hack is where you sit here and literally, all right, increase the lie that you're going to tell yourself. If you try to say you broke, no, I live a rich life. If you say you feel like you're not feeling well, no, I feel healthy. Because all this is Bible. And one of the things that most of society has gotten away from a moral construct, but at the same time, how you could be successful. And being successful and having a moral construct and everything else, is all Bible. Same thing with an abundance. It should be all, it is all in the Bible. So my thing is, this week, I want you to do a mind hack. A mind hack is ever what you sitting here saying negative over, you do the opposite. You flip it. If you need $10 million, ask for $10 million. If that's too out your budget, you need 1,000. Okay, 1,000. But the point is, asking for $1,000 is just way too low. Might as well start 10xing your belief system. So if it's 1,000, 10,000. If it's 10,000, 100,000. 10x your dreams. 10x your dreams. It is necessary to you. And you'll say, why do that, Melvin? Last question, right quick. Who will benefit from you if you will live a richer life? Who will benefit? Literally. And if you're selfish, now you're getting that of what a selfish person do. You're a hoarder and you're a taker. That's not good either. But at the same time, giving too much is not good either. And one of the things I learned this morning was, if you want to try this, see how balanced that God has everything somewhat should be. And balance doesn't mean everything got to be equal. Just for just. Hold your breath. I can do a little longer than that. But hold your breath and keep taking in air. And don't release nothing. Then do the opposite of it. Keep blowing all your air out your body as much as you can. Don't hold on. And then you start getting lightheaded and stuff. Stop. What it is God set a system up in life where take in, you can receive, learn to receive, you learn how to give. Reciprocity. Learn how to receive, you can learn how to give. So to be the best person that you could possibly be, and to live that rich, abundant life that you deserve to have, who will benefit from you being at the best peak of your life with a growth mindset? Growth mindset. Growth mindset is the key. You want to change the situation, start changing the way you think. Anyway, if you don't know who I am, my name is Melvin Carter of melvincarterjr.com. If you want to connect, go to that website, just connect. And besides that, that's all right. Have a great week.